Welcome back, Jelly Beans. Today we are going to do a pretty simple makeup look. It's going to be like a picture torn from a coloring page. I'm going to do half of my face and then a piece of my chest. I'm going to go ahead and outline the sketch now with a gray shadow. It's going to be abstract, so you don't have to follow this. If you want to do this tutorial, just draw the shapes you want. So next I'm going to go in and start painting in the little circles with different colors. We're going to do like rainbow and then some white because it's kind of like a coloring page that's been colored in. So we'll just go through that. I'm going to do the white first so I don't have to mix. Go ahead and add in the colors and then I'll go over everything with eyeshadows and I'll be right back. I'm going to go in and set everything with eyeshadows. I'm going to start with the white. Sorry. I'm going to start with the white because it will muddy the quickest. And we're just going to do the white and then lightest to dark. This is the chest piece and everything. I'm going to go ahead and take in black and start outlining and detailing and make it look like a sketchbook. we are going to add some lashes, lips, liner, and I will be back with the finished look. Okay, this is the finished look. I am gonna, as always, insert the video the other way. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. We just did a bunch of line work, a bunch of coloring in, and we're a coloring page. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Leave some comments below on what you want me to do.